The reason I'm stopping you is your exhaust. You can't have your exhaust any louder than the way it comes from the factory. You got your driver's license, registration, insurance in there? Are you the registered owner of this vehicle? No. Okay. Put the car in park, shut it off for me. Can you hand me the keys real quick? All right, just sit tight. What's up?
My mom, she wants
For what?
Huh?
For what?
I don't know. She's just hungry.
I'll talk to her in a minute.
Is that the keys to the car?
If you want to take him and search it, because it reeks of weed.
I'm sorry.
Do you mind if I pat you down for weapons or anything?
Say that again?
Do you mind if I pat you down for weapons or anything?
Yeah.
Just turn around for me.
Can I step out the car, sir? This traffic stop. Alright, so what I'm trying to figure out is...
You have anything on you?
No, sir. Come on.
Come on. No weapons?
No.
Nothing illegal on you?
Yes, keys.
Okay.
Keys, stop touching me there, sir.
Come over here.
I am. I'm gonna stick there. Come over here.
Oh, what's in your pocket right now? Keys?
This is a charger.
Do you mind taking it out for me, put it on the hood? Can you just have a seat on the bumper for me?
We are here. You don't have to touch me, sir. Put your hands on the car.
Zero.
Stop.
Stop.
I'm not doing that, sir. I'm not doing nothing.
Don't move. How old are you?
Huh?
How old are you?
19 years old, sir.
I saw it. You got any other weapons on you?
No, sir.
That's all you got on you?
That's all I got. I don't got that. Can I ask a question, dude?
In a minute.
I get my baby mom number. I get her number. What is it? I get my baby mom number.
And you're reaching in your pocket while you're walking towards deputies.
Yeah.
What?
Huh?
For what?
That's what I'm saying. No, the same, right?
100%.
Yeah.
You're 19 years old and you got a handgun on you.
Is it your brother or anything? Friend? Acquaintance?
Boyfriend.
Boyfriend? Okay.
Can I walk to her? She can walk over there.
Not right now.
Can she walk right there?
Just, I mean, she's got a right to get out right there in that parking lot. Not good.
I'm saying, but I'm not bothering anybody. I ain't messing with no one.
Don't matter.
I know I'm saying, y'all said we got pulled for, this what I'm saying, y'all said we got pulled for what? I can't see my phone.
No. You know what that is.
I'm talking about a switch.
Yep. You don't know what that is?
Nah.
No, definitely not.
Who you on the phone with? Your mom?
Sister.
Friend?
Sister.
Sister, okay. 2783, like the blackmail passengers, the ones that stink. Can you run a criminal history on him looking for felonies?
She's gonna walk up.
But as far as coming over here, she needs to hold up right now. Please hold up one side.
Stay over there.
Hey, babe. Can I get y'all number? Both of y'all.
Do you have a test kit available?
We'll give us a second. We'll talk to you, I promise.
So we pulled him out. He has a loaded handgun in his waistband. He's not old enough to have a handgun. He's also got what looks like crack in his pocket and a bunch of weed in his pocket. Ski mask and gloves, so it doesn't look super good. Okay?
Can y'all write me down their numbers?
Not right now.
Regina, bro, I need y'all numbers, bro.
Honestly, none of anything that would or can be in the car is not my sister's problem. She was just the driver.
And she's not in trouble for anything other than she's probably gonna get a ticket for a driver's license. That's it.
I'm just being real though. What gave y'all the cause to bother me though? If y'all already start her for traffic, this is a traffic stop, so I know my rights. I'm just saying, what did y'all bother me for though?
Is the camera on?
2783, Lake Copy, 0
Friends at ATF.
With hollow points in it too.
Because
And I'm just need everything from camp. I'm like,
because the car smells like marijuana.
Okay,
and we were
okay,
pulling you
pull
and
it
her
up,
out of it to go search it because it smells like marijuana. And when you stepped out, that deputy noticed you had a handgun stuffed in your waistband or pocket or whatever, and that's why you're putting handcuffs. Okay?
Like,
Nothing in your head?
excuse me, so can y'all do this? Just one thing for me to do, at least. If I ain't been a jack, I'm gonna ask you guys. Can y'all just get my can I get both of their numbers for me?
We'll do that.
Sure. Have a seat.
Can you get my mom number on my phone for me too? It's either y'all let me do it or the county jail let me do it.
Yeah. And he has gloves and a
Ski mask.
ski mask.
Should I do that call real quick? I'll be up there in just a second.
The date was April 7th, 2025, and at 2 p.m., what began as a simple stop for a loud exhaust transformed into a high-stakes felony arrest. A Florida officer pulled over a sedan for excessive noise, but as he approached the window, the behavior of the occupants set off alarm bells. Both the driver and his 19-year-old passenger were visibly trembling and refused to make eye contact. Smelling marijuana and noticing a suspicious bulge in the passenger's waistband, the officer ordered the teen out for a pat-down. The discovery was chilling. A loaded handgun equipped with a switch to make it fully automatic, loaded with lethal hollow-point bullets. A further search of the passenger revealed crack cocaine, marijuana, a ski mask, and gloves. The teen now faces a mountain of felony charges for the illegal firearm and narcotics. While the driver walked away with a license citation, his passenger began a long journey into the legal system. Subscribe for more videos and get the latest deep dives into the archives of Bodycam Real Files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload.